Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you are new here, thank you for clicking and welcome. We talk about side hustles, passive income and different ways to make money online, especially for people living in Africa. Today we are going to look at 5 real remote jobs you can do at night from the comfort of your home. Whether you have a full-time job during the day or you just want to make some extra cash, these options are flexible and beginner friendly. Let's get started. Number 1 is Mod Squad. This company offers customer service and social media management jobs that you can do remotely. You'll basically be helping brands manage their online communities, handle customer support, or moderate social media platforms. They offer flexible schedules, which means you can work at night or whenever you're free. To apply, go to join.modsquad.com and check the Join the Mods or Careers page. They hire people from all over the world, including Africa, as long as you are 18 years old and have a good internet connection. Number 2 is Appen. This is one of the biggest global companies that hire people to help train artificial intelligence. You can do small online tasks like labeling images, answering questions, or checking search results. It is simple, flexible work you can do anytime, even at night. Go to appen.com/jobs to sign up and click on projects or micro tasks. They also have data collection jobs, which usually pays a bit less but are still good for earning extra money. Appen accepts workers from most African countries. Number 3 is Remote Rebellion. This platform lists all kinds of remote jobs from customer support to marketing, from admin roles to business services. You can search for fully remote positions and filter by your country. Some listings are international, meaning you can even apply if you are based in Africa. Just go to the website and check what's available. Number 4 is Cambly. Cambly pays you to chat in English with people from around the world who are trying to improve their English. You don't need a teaching degree or certificate. You just need to speak English fluently. It is a relaxed job you can do late at night, early morning, or whenever you are free. They currently pay around $10 per hour and you get paid through PayPal every week. If you are from Africa, make sure your country supports PayPal withdrawals before signing up. Number 5 is Gotranscript. Gotranscript is a transcription platform that pays you to type out audio recordings into text. It is perfect if you want a quiet, non-fun work you can do at night after a long day. You just listen to recordings, write what you hear, and submit it for review. Gotranscript pays weekly through PayPal and accepts freelancers from around the world, including Africa. And the more niche your language is, the better. For example, if you speak Swahili fluently or even Somali, you can get paid very well. You can sign up at gotranscript.com and take a short test to get started. So these are the 5 legit remote online jobs you can do at night. Mod Squad, Appen, Remote Rebellion, Cambly, and Gotranscript. They are flexible, pay weekly or monthly, and most of them accept workers from African countries. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more online opportunities and actually work in Africa. Let me know in the comments which one of these are you going to try first, and see you in the next video.